Rachel started her dropshipping business in 2022, focusing on trendy fashion items. By leveraging AI tools for product research and marketing, she quickly identified popular products and created targeted ad campaigns. In 2024, Rachel's business generated over $130,000 in revenue, allowing her to expand her product range and target new markets. Mark turned his passion for technology into a successful dropshipping business. Using AI-powered tools, he identified high-demand tech gadgets and optimized his store for maximum conversions. Mark's use of personalized marketing and automated customer service helped him achieve over $150,000 in sales in 2024. Imagine starting an e-commerce business with zero upfront investment and leveraging AI to streamline operations, maximize profits, and earn a six-figure income. In 2024, dropshipping, with the power of AI, is transforming the landscape, enabling entrepreneurs to earn up to $150,000 annually without the need for inventory or initial capital. Ready to dive into this lucrative opportunity? Let's explore how you can achieve success in dropshipping using AI. Welcome to day 14 of our 30-day series on earning money online. Today, we're unlocking the secrets of e-commerce by exploring how you can start a dropshipping business with no investment and harness the power of AI to boost your success. If you've been following our series, you know we're dedicated to providing you with the most effective strategies for online income. The world of dropshipping offers immense potential, and with AI-driven tools, you can scale your business to new heights. Picture this: some dropshippers are making up to $150,000 a year, all while avoiding the hassles of inventory management. Stay tuned to learn how you can tap into this opportunity. Don't forget to hit share and subscribe so you won't miss any of our valuable insights. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you sell products to customers without holding any inventory. Instead, when a customer makes a purchase, you order the item from a third-party supplier who ships it directly to the customer. This eliminates the need for upfront inventory investment and warehouse storage. Let's discuss the benefits of dropshipping. With no need for inventory, you can start your business with minimal initial capital. You can offer a diverse range of products without worrying about storage. Manage your business from anywhere with an internet connection. Easily scale your business by adding more products and targeting new markets. Now, let's see how AI can use in dropshipping to make it an automated business. One of the biggest challenges in dropshipping is finding profitable products. AI tools like Salehoo and Oberlo use advanced algorithms to analyze market trends, customer reviews, and sales data to identify high-demand products with low competition. This data-driven approach ensures you select the best products to maximize your profits. Understanding your customers is key to success in e-commerce. AI tools like Shopify's AI-driven analytics provide deep insights into customer behavior, preferences, and buying patterns. This information helps you tailor your marketing strategies and product offerings to meet customer needs more effectively. Customer service is crucial in maintaining customer satisfaction and loyalty. AI chatbots and virtual assistants, such as those offered by ChatFuel and ManyHat, can handle common customer inquiries 24/7, providing instant support and freeing up your time to focus on other aspects of your business. AI can revolutionize your marketing efforts by personalizing your campaigns. Tools like Adext AI and Albert.ai analyze customer data to create highly targeted ads and email campaigns. Personalized marketing not only improves customer engagement but also increases conversion rates and sales. Selecting a niche is crucial for your dropshipping success. Focus on a niche that you're passionate about and that has a proven market demand. Use AI tools to analyze market trends and identify profitable niches with low competition. Partnering with reliable suppliers is essential. Use AI-powered platforms like AliExpress, Dropshipping Center, and Spocket to find trustworthy suppliers who offer quality products and fast shipping. These platforms also provide detailed supplier ratings and reviews to help you make informed decisions. Create a professional online store using e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. These platforms offer AI-driven templates and design tools to help you build an attractive and user-friendly store. Ensure your website is mobile optimized and has a secure payment gateway. High-quality product listings are key to attracting customers. Use AI tools to optimize your product descriptions, titles, and images. Tools like Copy AI and Jasper can help you create compelling copy that highlights the benefits and features of your products. Leverage AI to create effective marketing campaigns. Use AI tools to analyze your audience, create personalized ads, and optimize your ad spend. Run A/B tests to determine the most effective strategies and continuously refine your campaigns based on AI-driven insights. Track your store's performance using AI analytics tools. Monitor key metrics such as traffic, conversion rates, and customer satisfaction. Use this data to make informed decisions and continuously optimize your store for better results. Every business comes with hurdles, and here are some decent options to overcome these hurdles. The dropshipping market is competitive. To stand out, focus on providing exceptional customer service, offering unique products, and continuously optimizing your store based on AI insights. Regularly analyze your competitors and adapt your strategies to stay ahead. Maintaining product quality is crucial for customer satisfaction. Partner with reliable suppliers and regularly monitor product reviews and feedback. Use AI tools to track supplier performance and ensure you're offering high-quality products. Returns and refunds are a part of any e-commerce business. Implement a clear return policy and use AI tools to manage returns efficiently. Automated return management systems can streamline the process and improve customer satisfaction. As AI technology continues to evolve, new tools and features will emerge, offering even more sophisticated support for dropshipping. Stay updated on these advancements and be ready to incorporate them into your business. Consumers are increasingly concerned about sustainability. Consider offering eco-friendly products and partnering with suppliers who prioritize sustainable practices. Use AI to identify and market these products to environmentally conscious customers. AR technology is becoming more prevalent in e-commerce. Offering AR experiences such as virtual try-ons for fashion items or 3D product views can enhance the customer experience and increase sales. Use AI tools to integrate AR into your store seamlessly. Starting a dropshipping business with no investment and leveraging AI in 2024 offers immense potential for substantial earnings. By harnessing the power of AI for product research, customer insights, marketing, and customer service, you can streamline your operations and maximize your profits. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, the key to success lies in choosing the right niche, partnering with reliable suppliers, and continuously optimizing your business based on AI-driven insights. Begin your dropshipping journey today and join the ranks of entrepreneurs earning up to $150,000 annually. Remember to hit share and subscribe so you won't miss any valuable insights from our 30-day series. Thank you for joining us on day 14. Stay tuned for more